Water is life, and to ensure clean, safe water, choosing the right pipes and fittings is essential. That's where CPVC and UPVC fittings come in. Florex Green's CPVC and UPVC pipes are tough, corrosion resistant and built to last, even in extreme conditions, from home to industries. They ensure water flows smoothly, safely and efficiently. Florex Green. Welcome to Giriraj Pipe and Fittings. Through our brand Florex Green, we are revolutionizing the world of pipes and fittings. Giriraj Pipe and Fittings was founded with a simple idea: to provide unmatched quality and sustainable solutions in the field of pipes and fittings. Today, we have earned the trust of millions of customers due to our high-quality products and reliability. Florex Green, it's not just a name, but a promise. Every product is manufactured as per international standards, ensuring durability and excellence in your projects. Our range of pipes and fittings is designed keeping in mind your every need. Be it CPVC plumbing system, UPVC plumbing system, SWR plumbing system, or Agri plumbing system, Florex has every solution. We have BIS Bureau of Indian Standards certification for CPVC pipes, SWR, PVC pipes and fittings. Apart from this, the company is also certified by ISO 9001:2015 for quality management system. Production process. First of all, raw materials like high quality CPVC, UPVC, SWR and Agri pipe are checked. The purity and strength of these raw materials are ensured so that they are as per our standards. After checking, these are prepared for production. The next step is the extrusion process, in which the raw materials are melted and molded into pipes. This process uses state-of-the-art machines that ensure the accuracy and size of the pipes. This step also ensures the thickness and strength of the pipes. After the pipes are taken out from the extrusion, they are cooled. After this, these pipes are cut into the required length. The cooling process helps in retaining the strength of the pipes and molds them into the correct shape. Along with pipes, various steps of fittings are also manufactured. The fittings are manufactured under the injection molding process, where raw material is poured into the mold and molded into the correct shape. This process ensures the accuracy and strength of the fittings. Quality is our priority. At Giriraj Pipes, we put each of our products through rigorous testing procedures to ensure that it stands up to all conditions. We conduct all the necessary tests like dimensional compliance, visibility and color checking, VST test, tensile strength test, opacity test, density test, stress relief test, hydro pressure test, impact test, malfunction loop test, ash content test. After the quality testing, the product is packed in a safe manner. so that it reaches the customers without any damage. Every precaution is taken in packaging, and then these are sent to the distribution centers. With Florex, you don't just buy a product, you choose a reliable partner who provides strength, stability and safety to your every project. With a heavy stock of all finished goods in our company, we dispatch our distributors and dealers' orders instantly. Main objective: to participate in the success of our customers by providing reliable quality solutions with consistent services to make their lives easier. Whether you are working on large industrial projects or looking for durable and reliable solutions in your home construction, Florex Pipe Fittings is your best partner. Florex Pipe Fittings, your reliable and strong partner at every step.